Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your age in Roblox so you can access more features like voice chat, certain games, and other capabilities. All you need to do is open Roblox. You just need to click on More. Here, go to the Settings section. Here, click on Account Info. From this section, you can edit your age. Make sure to enter your real age. Click on Confirm. Now, a code will be sent to your email. Just enter it here. All you need to do is open your browser. Here, just log into your email. Here, just copy this code. And here, just paste it. And click on Verify. Just like that, your age in Roblox gets changed. To confirm your age, simply click on this option. Just scan this QR code with your phone and upload the required documents. After uploading, your account will be verified within a few hours if the information is correct. It's that easy to change your age on Roblox. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. See you soon.